Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Instagram live not working. As you start a live and you see this kind of error, at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply close this page, and after closing this page, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, you can simply check your Wi-Fi router whether it is working properly or not. And you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network setting. As you click on reset, all of your network setting will be reset. So after that, you have to simply go back and you have to again click on general, and you have to click on iPhone storage this time, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Instagram app. So here you have to simply offload the app, and after offloading the app, you have to simply reinstall the app from here. As you reinstall the app, this will install a latest version of the Instagram, and after that, if any problem is occurring related to Instagram app, will be solved. If the problem is still there, then the solution is in the problem that you are not eligible for this, which means if Instagram Live is not working, then you have to simply check the criteria for Instagram Live whether you met that criteria or not. If you are not eligible for Instagram Live, then you will not be able to use that feature. So you have to make sure that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.